Hey folks, Mark with Crypto for Seniors here. We're diving headfirst into the roaring crypto market, and I'm here to unveil the titans in my portfolio. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what cryptos I am holding bags of, and about how much I hold as well. We're talking about the cryptos that are primed for a bull run, the ones that are going to make you sit up and shout, "Booyah!" These aren't just any coins, these are the game changers, the disruptors, the future of finance. So buckle up because we're going on a wild ride through the crypto cosmos. But first, I want to be crystal clear. This video is not financial advice. I am simply sharing my largest holdings with you. For me, at a minimum, I have at least 10,000 of each token I'm going to share with you. Or I have anywhere around $5,000 to $10,000 of each token respectively. Remember, I'm just a guy on the internet, so please do your own research. Check out sites like CoinMarketCap, CoinDesk, Crypto Bubbles, or a host of other websites to learn more about any crypto you are interested. If you believe in a project, at a minimum, read their white paper. Decide if this life in crypto is for you. Discussing cryptocurrency inevitably leads us to the leader, Bitcoin. This giant has endured market volatility, silenced skeptics, and consistently emerged stronger. It is the gold standard, the original, the pioneer of the cryptocurrency world. Currently, Bitcoin is consolidating, establishing a foundation for its next significant rise. Keep in mind, Bitcoin's supply is finite and scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin, and as demand increases, this scarcity will drive its value higher. Bitcoin is not just a store of value, it is a hedge against inflation, a global currency, and a revolutionary technology. For any serious cryptocurrency investor, Bitcoin is an essential component of the portfolio. It is the cornerstone, the foundation, and the bedrock of the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Hold on tight because Solana is about to take you on a high-speed joyride. This blockchain is blazing fast. I'm talking transactions per second that'll make your head spin. Solana's secret weapon is its revolutionary proof-of-history consensus mechanism. It's like a time-stamping machine that makes transactions lightning fast and super cheap. We're talking fractions of a penny per transaction. That opens up a whole new world of possibilities, from decentralized finance to NFTs to gaming. Solana's got the speed, it's got the tech, and it's got the momentum to become a major player in the crypto space. Keep your eyes on this one. It's a rocket ship ready for takeoff. Again, not financial advice. Let's talk about real-world impact. I am talking about an older crypto token called VeChain. VeChain is tackling one of the biggest challenges facing businesses today, supply chain management. This blockchain is all about transparency and accountability, making sure products are authentic and traceable from start to finish. Imagine knowing exactly where your food came from, or verifying the authenticity of a luxury good with a simple scan. VeChain is making that a reality, folks, and businesses are taking notice. We're talking partnerships with giants like Walmart China and PwC, proving that VeChain is more than just hype. It's a solution that's changing the game. This is a crypto with a purpose, a mission, and a bright future. Keep an eye on VeChain. It's a sleeping giant about to awaken and hopefully reach the numbers over the last bull run. Ravencoin is all about assets, digital assets to be more specific. This blockchain is built for the secure and efficient transfer of anything of value, from securities to virtual goods to real estate. It's like a digital notary, verifying ownership and streamlining transactions. Ravencoin gives you the power to create and manage your own tokens, opening up a world of possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. Imagine issuing your own company stock, creating unique digital collectibles, or even tokenizing real estate. Ravencoin is putting the power back in your hands, folks, giving you control over your digital assets. This is a hidden gem with huge potential, so don't sleep on Ravencoin. RVN is one token I see great things coming during the next run for this token. Cardano is different. This blockchain is built on a solid foundation of peer-reviewed research and academic rigor. It's all about taking a scientific approach to blockchain development, ensuring scalability, security, and sustainability. Cardano is led by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and he's assembled a team of brilliant minds to create a blockchain that can truly change the world. We're talking about a platform that can support decentralized applications, digital identities, and even entire governments. Cardano is still in its early stages like many of my picks, but they have been around the start of the altcoin era. But what's important to note, its potential is limitless. This is a long-term play, a blockchain that's built to last. Cardano is perfect for smart contracts, so do your research, get educated, and consider adding Cardano to your portfolio. Hedera is shaking things up as a newcomer to the crypto market. However, early numbers are impressive. I didn't know much about Hedera until I did my own personal research. I have already made money on this token near its release. This is not your typical blockchain, it's a hash graph. Now I know that sounds complicated, but trust me, it's a game changer. Hash graph technology is faster, more secure, and more efficient than traditional blockchain. It's like a supercharged engine that can handle massive transaction volumes without breaking a sweat. Hedera is already being used by major players like Google and IBM, proving its real-world applicability. We're talking about a platform that can revolutionize industries from finance to healthcare to supply chain management. Hedera is a dark horse, folks. A hidden gem with the potential to become a major force in the crypto space. Keep it on your radar, because this one's got a bright future. There you have it, my holdings for this upcoming bull run. Will it be the end of this year or maybe the start of next year? Well, my magic 8-ball, remember those things we had as a kid? Shake it up and it would give you the answer when you turned it over. My magic 8-ball says it could happen. Not as technical as the charts I look at, or even what others in the industry are saying. These are the tokens that I personally believe are going to make waves. The ones that are going to disrupt industries and change the world. Remember, crypto is volatile, it's risky, but it's also the future of finance. If you want a safe bet, look at the S&P 500. You won't make the kind of money, in my opinion, that you would being in crypto. Do your research, understand the technology, and invest only what you can afford to lose. So buckle up and get ready for the wild ride. Watch the market, talk to your financial advisor. Explain to them you believe in crypto and you would like their input in putting crypto into your portfolio. Investigate iTrust to get into a crypto IRA. Well, that wraps up my holdings. I wanted to be completely transparent in what I'm holding and where any extra funds would simply be invested in my top 2 or 3, like Bitcoin, the original OG. I want to ask a really huge favor. I'm working hard to bring you really important content to you to help empower you in your crypto journey. If you like this video, would you please smash the like button and comment below what you feel about the tokens I'm holding? I would love to know what cryptos you are holding. Finally, a reminder, nothing contained in this video or my selection of cryptos I mentioned is financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor or planner. I am not suggesting you buy any crypto. I am simply documenting my journey in the crypto world and what my plans are for the end of the year. Take care of you and those around you. I will see you in the next video.